Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Competitive Chemistry. Today I will give you important interesting news. Have you ever suffered from COVID-19 disease? Are you worried about it? So don't worry guys, there is a drug developed which can cure this COVID-19. An anti-COVID-19 therapeutic application of the drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose 2-DG has been developed by Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, a lab of DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, DRL, Hyderabad. Clinical trial results have shown that this molecule helps in faster recovery of hospitalized patients and reduces supplemental oxygen dependence. Higher portion of patients treated with 2DG showed RT-PCR negative conversion in COVID patients. The drug will be of immense benefit to the people suffering from COVID-19. In April 2020, during the first wave of the pandemic, INMAS DRDO scientists conducted laboratory experiment with the help of Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, and found that this molecule works effectively against SARS-CoV-2 virus and inhibits the viral growth. Based on these results, Drug Controller General of India DCGI, Central Drug Standard Control Organization CDSCO, permitted phase 2 clinical trial of 2DG in COVID-19 patients in May 2020. DRDO and DRL Hyderabad started the clinical trials to test the safety and efficacy of the drug in COVID-19 patients. In phase 2 trial, including dose ranging, conducted during May to October 2020, the drug was found to be safe in COVID-19 patients and significantly improvement in their recovery. Phase 2A was conducted in 6 hospitals. Phase 2B was conducted at 11 hospitals all over the country. Phase 2 trial was conducted with 110 patients. Based on the successful results, DCGI further permitted the Phase 3 clinical trials in November 2020. Phase 3 was conducted on 220 patients between December 2020 to March 2021 at 27 COVID hospitals in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Phase 3 clinical trial was presented to DCGI. In 2DG arm, significantly higher proportion of patients improved symptomatically and become free from supplemental oxygen dependence by day 3, indicating an early relief from oxygen therapy or dependence. Similar trends was observed more than 65 years aged people. On May 1, 2021, DCGI granted permission for emergency use of this drug as adjunct therapy in moderate to severe COVID-19 patients. Being a generic molecule and analogous of glucose, it can be easily produced and made available in plenty in the country. The drug comes in powder form in sachet, which is taken orally by dissolving it in water. It accumulates in the virus-injected cells and prevents virus growth by stopping viral synthesis and energy production. Its selectivity accumulation in virally infected cells makes this drug unique. In the ongoing second COVID-19 wave, a large number of patients are facing severe oxygen dependency and need hospitalizations. The drug is expected to save precious lives due to the mechanism of operation of the drug in infected cells. This also reduces hospital stay of COVID-19 patients. Here I have given the link of the research paper in the description box. Please watch this. Thank you for watching.